We just finished a 2-hour screen share in the group. Great times, a lot of stories. Woo-wee. And I was saying too, guys, don't record. You really want a community that is like-minded. Of course, we talk about our wins, our losses, our ups or downs. It's very important to have a community. And that's what we have. We have a community with very strong-minded people. It's very hard when you're all by yourself and you don't know what's going on. You don't know what to expect. It really reduces the emotions. It really does. And that's one thing that I think everybody needs. One thing I do want to share is I saw this paragraph raises 5 million from USV and Coinbase Ventures. So this right here, my ears perk up. Coinbase Ventures, what are they doing? Because Coinbase Ventures is going to be a huge, and they are already, a huge ball player in crypto space. So whenever they're doing anything, kind of watch out for them. Take over the Web3 blogging platform Mirror. You can read this if you want. I'm not gonna read it to you. So this word, Farcaster. So I looked up Farcaster. So this is the app. It's a decentralized Web3 social protocol. And there's so many of these. There are so many of these. That's why when I first saw it, I was like, okay, whatever. Enable users to run small apps that run inside of posts on Warpcast. Interesting. Now, the thing that I do like about this, and at first it was a turnoff, it is a fee, but it's only $5 a year. Now, the benefit of this is it discourages bots. So you want a platform that doesn't have bots. And of course it covers on-chain fees, which is really good. So this, in my opinion, is a pretty cool thing. And you can, I believe, stream and everything else on this. So I'm going to look more into this because I do need to get on more platforms. Whenever there's fundraisers, IDOs, buying tokens before they actually get released to an exchange, what you're doing is you're betting on the project. What you do is you have a certain amount allocated to you, whether all at once or in increments. Whether it's every month, every 3 months, every whatever. More than likely, I'm going to sell it. So because of that, sometimes, usually in the bull market, price will tend to come down. Price will usually go up prior to the unlock. Then when the unlock happens, because everybody's getting their tokens, everybody's selling, dumping on the market. And you also have token unlocks thinking about you have more in circulation. You're actually diluting the supply and demand. When the supply is low, usually the demand goes up. But when you put more tokens into the market, now there's a lot that you can get. So sometimes it will affect the price, but there's also times where people start seeing the hype and they'll also start buying those tokens just because there's more around. So, I mean, there's always two different ways of thinking about it, but normally price goes down. Now, for me personally, I love deflationary tokens. So what is that? That's when you burn tokens. What is a token burn and why? Why is it even important? It's important because, again, supply demand. Me, I love tokens that have a regular burn because what you're doing is you're lowering the supply. BNB has a token burn. Cake has a token burn. I'm always here 7 days a week, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I stop everything I'm doing so that I could make sure that I give you these nuggets, that I give you 1 hour worth of mentorship so that you can hopefully turn these losses into gains. We show you how to trade in the most successful way without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, support resistance. That's all you need, and it just takes some time and practice. And especially if you've been taught that you need all of these indicators and divergence and, patterns, it's very difficult to untrain your mind. So if you're brand new, man, you are so lucky because I can mold your mind much easier than somebody who has had several years of training and trading under their belt, because now they have to unlearn all that stuff. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, Well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.